So that's the most toxin accumulated area from our body. So now we need to get rid of the trashes. So that's one. We already tapped here. 1, 2. Another is here, armpit. That's 4. And here, that's 6. And also another 7, 8. And the back of the knee. That's the 8. So now we are typing this 8 area. Okay, so here we can be shortest already. Lots of toxins already came out. Okay, just 1 minute. Maybe just 1 minute. Can you count the time? 1 minute? Count time, 1 minute. Half a minute. Okay, start from this one. 谢谢。Any more stuff come out? Come out? Oh yeah, you needed to do more. Harder, Christian, harder. 1 minute or not? Wow, this 1 minute is too long, huh? Oh, Daniel. Okay, yeah. 1 minute? Still not 1 minute? Yeah. Okay, continue.
New York, is that any faster?
Okay, 1 minute. Okay, now here, armpit here, deep side. So we can do like this. Harder, the deepest. Yeah, lots of toxins accumulate here. This also related to the heart. Heart and the liver. Just one side first. Don't change. See, at home, even 1 minute you may not can do it because it feels so long. Yeah. Because at home you think, I needed to do this, I needed to do that. You don't have time to do this. So long, 1 minute. Tired? Still not 1 minute? Okay, 1 minute. We need to switch. 1, 2. Harder, Andrea.
Look at my face and you're like, that's not hard enough.
It's already very painful. I can tell, see her face. She's also there. Good job. Keep doing, Oh, see, she couldn't do it. Wow. See, in the beginning, even 1 minute, people feel difficult to do it. See, Andrea's like, this 1 minute is like 5 minutes, right? Okay, 1 minute, finally, Okay, here. This is mostly spleen toxins accumulated here, related to digestion, like to dampness. We can do this together, both hands, like put here, 1, 2. Harder, And do this one, if it's really remove the blockage, you may feel the warm, warm. Many times you feel warm on the foot, like maybe goes from here. Anyone feel warm? Let me know, Okay. Daniel, I feel your face have rose color now. That means the cheese coming. That's good.
Just step in the restroom.
Good job. Anyone feel warm on your legs?
Yeah.
You feel warm? Yeah, today you got the best best results, huh? You feel warm almost everywhere, huh? Heart?
The decision. You come,
Uh.
you know if you're going to try and let it go, and your body responds when you really let go. Because otherwise, you hold, and it doesn't.
Right.
It doesn't have the same effect.
Right. So that's why we retune our body at least once a week. One minute now. Okay, now at the back here, here at the knee. So we also use the hand, maybe you which way you think is better. If you can pull your pants up without the pants, it's even better, Directly hit on your legs, Like see here. Keep doing. It's not 1 minute yet. Okay, 1 minute. Frank's face is lovely. Good. See? 8 minutes. You feel. What do you feel? Feel relief.
Actually, kind of relaxed.
Relaxed. Okay. And your face is really. What do you feel?
I feel some warmth in my face.
Warmth, So that means the cheese really move. The warmth relieve you. Yeah. See, this is can reach a goal.